do not hesitate to eat while you're listening, because that's part of who it is. Because in 57 minutes we have to rush the door.
Yeah, you have to get out.
Yeah, we all have to be out of here. They only have half an hour to clear, so we have 57 minutes to play music for you. And our first thing that we would like to say is, well, hello,
Hello, hello.
Honolulu, Honolulu. Have you changed?
Have you changed?
Or stay the same? Your bright beckoning lights fill my dreams and lonely nights. And we don't blame you if you've forgotten our name, our name. We want to ask you, oh no, what's new? From what we hear, you're looking swell, and is Manoa still kissed by your sweet evening mist? And does the moon still dance to music at the shell? Hello, Honolulu. No place makes us feel the way you do. Oh, Honolulu, we love you so. We love you so. It's true, and we know. Yes, we know. Honolulu, we never should have gone away. The truth is, we find you laid on our minds, and we're going to follow our hearts home today. Hello, Honolulu. No place makes us feel the way you do. Oh, Honolulu, we miss you so. We miss you so. It's true. Going home to stay today. Going home to stay all of you are very smart to come so early. I thought if I left home by 5 o'clock I'd be okay, except for the traffic between the Alawai and Kalakaua Avenue. Wow. Of course, it would be Roland and I, two Portuguese from Kalihi, to choose a holiday to perform at the Waikiki Zoo. But that's okay, the main thing is that we've made it, and that said, we're gonna keep singing. Honolulu circa 1954, something's happening like never before.